Okay, so we are in motion installing new PEX pipes, and we're going to install them up in the ceiling instead of below the ceiling. Gonna get a new fan for this, fix that. Here's the PEX in here, going through the ceiling instead of down below. Gonna get rid of this galvanized piping here pretty soon. So all this other piping is all set, ready to go. And there's some of our parts, and I got to go get a bunch of other parts. I'm going to replace this 8-inch wide shower control valve, hot and cold separate knobs. And so we just decided to take apart the whole wall here. There's just plumbing going, comes here and down, over, and then back up and over to the shower, and it's just unnecessary. Here's a wire that they decided to sheetrock over. And what else we got going here? So yeah, we got some stuff to do here tomorrow, and we need to get it done pretty quickly because we have got so much work, so many people wanting things done, and not enough time to do it. So, okay, it's off to the store to get a bunch of materials. Going to be a late night shopping. We got the plumbing changed over to all PEX now, with the exception of a couple of places where the pipes go up to existing locations that are still built in, like the upstairs bathroom and upstairs sink. So those are the only two places where there's still old plumbing. But yeah, so we have all new PEX built into the house. And PEX comes through this side here. And on over to this. So then we have kind of a complex of pipes going off to different faucet locations. So we have that's going to the old, or the shower down here. That other cold is going to the faucet out in the backyard, hose bib. That's going down to the sink cold, sink hot. And then that first one goes to the shower. The second one goes to the hose bib in the yard at the second tee on the left. It goes down to this toilet, and over there goes up to that toilet. So when the people remodel the upstairs bathroom, that will get changed. So now we'll get on all these little electrical things, but picked up a nice new shower valve, and they haven't had so much water pressure in I don't know how long, so they are going to really enjoy that. That's the cold. So this is the new shower valve. 84 bucks, and the stuff is very cheap. They just keep figuring out how to make things cheaper and cheaper, but we have it in there nice and solid. That's in there nice and solid. Then we come over to this side here. You can see where we have the connections on this side. That's the one that goes out to the backyard hose bib. That goes to the sink upstairs. That's going to the sink upstairs. These are coming to the sink downstairs. Right there. And there's the toilet connection. And the toilet comes on up and connects in and goes over to the toilet over there. If I can get a good view of it. No big deal. So yeah, that's pretty good. We got a nice long day of plumbing in today. So then we're gonna fix up this electrical stuff. This is 12 gauge wire, and they have it connected up to 14 gauge wire. And, okay, so it's, I don't know what they have. I'll have to figure it out. There's never a shortage of surprises. Don't know what that one is. So that takes care of our plumbing project for today.